My name is Rajnish Tyagi. I'm a financial advisor. In today's program, I'm going to discuss about credit reports and credit ratings. There are three main credit referral agencies in UK which holds your personal credit report and information about your personal finances also. If you are an individual or a family person or a household in UK, and if you do have your credit card or any current accounts in your name or any utility bills or any mortgage accounts or buy-to-let accounts or any store cards in your name, then it means that you have a credit report also. I normally personally recommend that in case if you have a credit report and you do have financial associations, then you must check your credit report at least once in a year, just to check that whether your credit report information is correct and up to date, or if there is any incorrect information on your credit report, then that can be rectified so that your credit rating can be improved. Main credit referral agency in UK is Experian, which counts your ratings or your scoring from 1 to 999 score. So if you do have a score of over 900 points, then it means that you have excellent score. If you do have less than 900 points or up to 700 points, then it means that you have good score. Less than 700 points is possibly poor score, and then you have a category of very poor score also. If you believe that you have struggled in past with your credit commitments and you have failed a couple of payments and possibly there are some defaults on your account, then do take consultation from a financial advisor who can help you. The second credit referral agency in UK is Equifax, which monitor your record or which give you a credit rating from the point 1 to 700. If you do have a points from 650 onwards, then it means that you have an excellent score with them as well. The third credit referral agency in UK is TransUnion, which was previously known as Call Credit. They assess your credit rating on the points based system. So from point 1 to 5, if you have a point 1 reflecting on your credit report on TransUnion account, then it means that you have a poor score. If you have a 5 rating, then it means that you have an excellent score. So what does personal report or what does your personal credit report mean? Your personal credit report means it's a report about your finances, your financial associations, your current electoral role, and the accounts and your historical payment towards your credit commitments. Your credit report will have your personal information. It will have your name, your date of birth, it will have your current address, it will have your previous addresses, it will have association with your partner, or if you have your some friend whom you have taken loans or credit card, it will have that information also. Second information which will show on your credit report will be your electoral roll registration. It will show where you are currently registered to vote. We normally recommend as a financial advisor that you must register to vote. If you don't have registration to vote, it means that you have a poor credit score, or new lenders or new creditors are not offer you any credit facility. So your electoral roll information will have your personal information. Then your credit report will also have your credit commitments and your data about your financial historical data about your repayments also. So if you have any loans from banks, from NatWest, Halifax, HSBC, Barclays, or Nationwide, or any other banks, high street banks or building societies, then those accounts and their current balances will show on your credit report with historical data about repayments also. So you need to check your credit report whether this is up to date. If you have settled any account in past or account was paid, then that will also show on your credit report. If you do have missed some payment in past, then that will also show on your credit report in the missing section of your credit report. And in case if there is any default registered on that particular account, then that default date will also show on your credit report. So kindly note, if there is any default on your credit report, that default notice is going to stay on your credit report for 6 years. The next information about on your credit report is about your historical searches or searches by the creditors and the third party companies or any solicitor firm or any company who is regulated by Consumer Credit Act 1974, they are doing any searches, if you renew your car insurance, or if you are planning to go for any new insurance or any mortgage application or a loan application or credit card application, then that particular creditor will do search on your credit report in order to ensure that you are eligible to get a credit facility. So the previous searches done by all your creditors will reflect on your credit report. Then there is another section of CIFAS entry in case if there has been any identity fraud in your name, then that information will reflect in that section. Then there is a gain entry in case if there is any information with the creditors that you have gone away and they are not able to trace you, then that information will be recorded in the gain section. The other information which will also show on your credit report is about public record information. In case if you have been part of any county court judgments, any CCJs, which we call in short term, or if you have had any bankruptcies or individual voluntary arrangement or any DRO orders, then that information will also show on your credit report. If you're not sure about something on your credit report, please do take consultation from a financial advisor. If you feel that because of your credit report you have been turned down by many creditors and you are not in the position to get any basic credit facility also, you must take advice. Seek an advice from a financial advisor who could help you, who can improve your credit rating and who can improve your credit scoring as well. Do watch us on our program. I hope that with the next topic which I will be coming up, I will give you some more guidance on that. Thank you.